Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today thank you to all my friends and shout out to Saga Pilates. Today I will show you new collection of the video. Okay, let's go. And today he painting. Wow, what is that? Animal? What is the animal? Wow, our face. The face is lion face or what? Or he add after he add some color or his face lion face. The king of jungle. It's very nice. Oh, big lion. Oh, very nice painting and very nice place. It's between he painting 3D anime between the lion anime playing with the dog coming. What's that? Ah, go. Okay, next the video is what is the line, the hole or the square hole. Always he painting with the cycle hole, and today's is square hole, and he painting with charcoal. Yes, only charcoal, but look real. He painting with the charcoal, and he add any colors. Wow, very nice. Add the shadow to make real, and he painting a walkway on the hole. Very nice. Oh. He walk on the walkways on the hole, and one lady come with a scooter, riding scooter on the walkway. Wow, very nice, perfect. Wow. Oh, buffalo, many buffalo come, but he cannot through this way. I have a big hole, go different way, it's better. Okay, next video different place and different style, but like a square hole. Wow, very nice painting and very nice place. It's between he painting 3D anime between the right field, but at the countryside, not a town, so the way is quiet. And this video is he painting the step under the step. He painting at more step, but like a real step. Wow. The real step is only 3 step or 4 step, but he add more. Look like real. Wow, very nice. And he jump after he paint, and his wife come. Wow, what's that? Oh, who's painting? Oh, he take the shoe, boom, push the camera. Wow. I don't understand why angry with the camera. Okay, next videos painting only one step. Before the painting is wow very quickly but like real. Oh, many animal cam. What is that? Sheep? Oh, okay. What is the next? Oh, what is like lake or river? Wow, it looks so easy, but if we can't painting this 3D art. What is that? Oh, fish pond. Wow, and the fish, like the fish in the river. Wow. It's like real, very perfect. Wow. Amazing. Okay, we put the water for the fish in the river. Wow. Yo. Same but not same place but different anime, different 3D hole. We painting different 3D hole. Wow, like the rock. Oh, she add what is walk away. Oh, very nice. Unbelievable. Was oh, be careful, guy. Oh. She walk like real. Okay, next videos. Not a big hole, is a small anime like a quarrel or red. What is that? Small. Wow. Oh, wow, very nice. Wow, very nice. Like the real fish. Very big catfish. This is a catfish and will make the soup or cook for today. Okay, this video is finished. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.